My name is Michelle O'Callahan. I enrolled in the SSW program, Social Service Work Program, and I went out to do my internship with Neighborhood Link Support Services, for which I have now been hired, and I start Monday. I enjoyed my time here. I miss it. I miss coming to class here. I've been here about 4 times since I've left to go out and do my internship, because I miss it, you know. I miss my teacher. I went out and did my internship, and because of the in-class study, the confidence that I was given, I excelled. I took the advice, I went out, I let them know who I was, I showed them what I was capable of, and because of that I was hired. And it all begins from the beginning when I started here. Everything that I learned, everything from everybody, from all the staff, even the receptionists, when you walked in, there was every morning, without fail, there was always a good morning. Without fail. And it didn't matter if there was 5 of us walking through that door. We were each individually had a good morning. It's a great school. It really is. I recommend anybody to come to Medix and get themselves a good education. I certainly did. Really good education. Very proud of myself, but I'm also proud of the school and what they did for me. Because without them, I wouldn't be where I am today.
So my name is Victor Wong, and I'm currently the owner-operator of the Shoppers Drug Mart very near here at Kennedy and Lawrence. It's a pharmacy that's open until midnight, from 8 a.m. to midnight. It's a pretty big pharmacy. We do about 50,000 prescriptions a year, and it has about 16,000 square feet. So I just wanted to tell you a little bit about myself and where I came from. I'm homegrown here in Scarborough. Born and raised. My background is a pharmacist, so I graduated with a pharmacy degree. And prior to working at the Shoppers Drug Mart, or owning the Shoppers Drug Mart, I had a variety of experiences, and I started out as a pharmacy technician myself. I used to work at Walmart Pharmacy, and I came through the ranks and started working at Shoppers Drug Mart, even as a student in high school. Developed my contacts and started working, and got as much experience as I could. And as I was finishing up my degree, I also got experiences in hospitals. So I used to work at Toronto General Hospital and St. Michael's Hospital downtown. And I used to work in renal transplant. I used to work in pre-admission surgery. I worked in general medicine. After that, I also got some experience in the pharmaceutical industry, and I worked in marketing and new product strategic planning, and also later on as manager of pricing at Wyeth Pharmaceuticals. And later on, from my work experience and from the contacts I developed while working as a pharmacy technician when I was much younger, I was able to get Shoppers Drug Mart. So that's a little bit about my background. In terms of what I want to speak to you today about is really emphasizing one very important point that I'm sure all of you already know, but it's a very, very good reminder, and it's a very, very good point to remember as you all move forward in your journey. And this main point that I'll stress is that people are paid for the solutions that they offer to others. People are paid for the solutions that they offer to others. It doesn't matter if you're a doctor, if you're a physician. It doesn't matter if you're a pharmacy assistant. It doesn't matter if you're a business owner. People will pay you if you can solve their problem, either a problem that they can't figure out themselves or a problem that they don't want to figure out themselves. The bigger that the problem is, the more you're compensated. The less people that know how to solve this problem, the more you're compensated. And the better that you solve this problem, the more you're compensated.